If you've seen any of the previous videos on my channel about my washing machine drama, you may know that I had ordered a new washing machine from Lowe's and the delivery truck did some damage to my yard. They came out and repaired it, so let's check and see if indeed these repairs are satisfactory. Kim Townsel here, welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and let me know what you think about these repairs that were done in my yard, if this is going to be okay. Lowe's did send someone to work on the yard Wednesday, I believe, and I didn't get home until Thursday night, very late. I haven't really seen this in the daylight yet. It's raining now, so it's hard for me to tell if it's really repaired or not. Hopefully it'll be sunny tomorrow and I can get out here and check this out a little better. It won't stop raining, so I'm going to have to check this yard repair out in the rain. Hear my feet squishing. It looks as if it was smoothed out. Pine straw dropped on top. Don't know if there's any kind of grass seed underneath there. I guess I will know next spring. Hopefully I don't have 2 holes in the yard. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we have dirt. I don't see any kind of seed. So I don't know how that's going to work out. I'm going to have 2 bare spots in my yard. Guess we'll come back and check and see if anything comes up. Is that grass growing in there? Could at least put down some winter grass, right? Alright, we'll see. This is Saturday. I think the repairs were done on Wednesday. I'm not sure I should have these pine sticks left in here. Smells very heavily of onion over here. Still have a lot of dirt left on my driveway, so that wasn't pressure washed off at all. Pine straw there. With all this rain, I still didn't wash all this dirt off. Guess we'll wait and see. See if any winter grass comes up. It does look better than it did after the damage, not before. I've been running around doing errands and mostly spending time with my family today, so I didn't get out here while the sun was shining on it, but at least it's not rain. At least it isn't raining. This is what we have on the minor side. And that's what we have for the major 2 holes. It's really warm today, up in the 70s. I'm thinking if any grass seed were planted, if it's winter grass, perhaps it might start germinating. I don't know. What do you think? I'll do a follow-up video, but I'm thinking I just have a bunch of field dirt. I don't know, maybe there's some seeds in there. Look like seeds to you? Maybe? Yeah, maybe there is. There's also this. 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 And this. Not sure what the purpose of that is. And this. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and until next time, let's help each other out so that we can solve problems and have a life that's easier and more enjoyable. If you have time before you leave, watch another video because YouTube likes for you to stick around. Bye.